Okay, guys, in today's video, I'll be talking about AI tool that generates bulk article for either blog posts or whatever keyword or um, article you want to write about. So this AI will generate it for you from 2,500 plus words, 2,500 words, and I can tell you that it's very, 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 very cheap. Because it's a premium AI tool and it's not that expensive. You can start it as low as $1. Yes, you can start using it as low as $1. So I'm going to show you everything about this AI. So you will know how to use it step by step on how to use it and how to top up and some other thing and how the AI also works. Okay. Before I dive into um the AI tool, the name of the website is called articleaigenerator.com. Articleaigenerator.com. You can also see the link on the description below. All right. This is the AI. I see articleaigenerator.com. This website is actually an AI platform that helps to generate bulk or single blog post or article up to 2,500 words. Okay. Now you can see here that there is generate single article, there is generate bulk articles, and generated articles. This is articles you have generated, then bulk up credits and stuff like that. But before you before you can use this platform, you need to register. So you come to this place and click on register an account. Registration is free. So what you just need to put your username, email, password, and just fill in anything from here. You can select YouTube. Also select YouTube. Okay, then when you are done filling this little form, then click on create account. They will send you a link to your email to confirm and that or as far as that. So now when you have created an account, next thing to do is because you log in you log in automatically. So come here to click on login and all that. Now, this AI, this platform allows you to generate articles for either single articles or in bulk So what it actually means is that if you are a blogger or writer, basically, or writer, and you are used to writing bulk articles every day, this AI will help you to maximize your time. Imagine you can write about 10 articles in less than 5 minutes. And what you just need to do is to go through the articles one by one, then read this, paraphrase it, and fulfill it, and add your little knowledge to it, your human knowledge to it, because you can't just copy and paste what the AI generated for you. Yes, you can't just copy and paste it. It's not right. So you need to read this, go through everything, see how you can improve on those articles. So it's basically actually to maximize your time. Was why this platform was created. All right. Um. So as you see here, you need to put in the keywords. You need to put in the keyword or topic that you want to generate the article for. You need to put in the keyword or topic that you want to generate the article for. Since we are actually generating for single article. All right. You can see here article length. Article length. Now see that we have two options here, which is the medium and the long. The medium consists of up to 2,500 plus words per article, like each article. Then, and the long article consists of 3,500 plus words each per article, which is actually okay. Now, for the medium article, you are going to be charged 1 cent, 1 credit per article. That means for for 2,500 plus words, you are going to be charged one credit, just one credit for one article. Now for 3,500 words each, you are going to be charged 2 credits per article. Is that not cheap? Okay. Let's go to see the notice here. It said, please note, the article length may not reach the exact word count, but it will be close enough. Depends on the complexity of the given topic. Yes, because there are some topic that we just go straight to the points, and the AI might just give you straight answer. So you giving the AI topic, you need to be broad. You need to be broad, like it prompts. I'm not basically ChatGPT prompt, but you need to give it a reasonable prompt for the AI to understand what you mean, so I can write more on it. All right. So, for example, medium article may be between 2,300 to 2,499 words. It's still okay for me. Still okay. Okay, but most of the time it would exit to 2,500 plus. So it's still okay for just 1 cent. Yeah, it's very, very okay. And for people that have blog and they want to post directly to their blog, not to post directly to their blog without stress. So what they need to do is just to connect their blog credentials to this platform. So immediately they generate the article. This platform we publish this article to their blog, either as draft or as published. Either as drafts or as published. Okay, what it means is that if you put your credentials on this platform, your WordPress credential basically on this platform, if after generating this platform will take the article to your blog post. If you click on publish, it's going to publish it for you. But if you click on draft, it's going to publish it as draft, so you can go back and edit it, add on page SEO to the article and build on the article and all that. And to do that, if you select to post to your WordPress site, provide the WordPress credentials below. Otherwise, you can link them blank. So because we are not linking them to WordPress site, so I'm going to be leaving that for now. Then important, before you can post automatically on your WordPress site, make sure you have installed this plugin or it won't work. Okay, there is a particular plugin you need to install so that it can work side by side with this platform. So if you need that, you can click on this setup guide for automatic WordPress posting. It's going to give you the name of the plugin you need to install and how to install it. So see, this is the name, WP plugin WordPress recipe authentication. So the step by step on how to install it and everything is here. So just follow it and watch the video and follow the step one by one. So it's very easy to get actually. So let's go back to this place now. See, post status in WordPress. If you want it to do as draft, which I've explained earlier, or as published, then WordPress username, you add your WordPress username here, then WordPress passwords, then WordPress URL. So add it here, then click on generate article. But since we are not posting on WordPress, so we are going to be generating just one article, I'll come back for that. So now let's go to the bulk articles. Now, the bulk article this can generate up to 20 articles per batch. So that means if you provide 20 keywords or topics, it's going to generate all for you at once in less than 5 minutes. We are done. You can only paste maximum of 20 keywords or topic in the test area below. Like this is the test area, so you can only paste 20, maximum of 20. So if you have more than 20 topics that you want to generate, you can just divide it into 20, 20, 20, or anything you want to do. Just make sure it does not exist 20 at once. Then if if you need to generate more, just submit another batch. Yes, that's the way I said. That's what I said. You need to divide it. You need to divide it by 20, 20, 20, so that you can generate more. Okay. If you paste more than 20 keyword or topic, it will only process 20. Yes, only process 20. All right. So what you need to do is paste the topic you need it without. Don't make sure you don't put 1 and 2, 3. No. Just paste the topic the way it is. How to fight. Then who is Mark? Just like that and continue. Just keep everything like that. So then select the is in that select the article length you want, either medium or long you want. So to me, I prefer the medium because 2,500 words, even though it's 2,000 words, is very, very long and it's worth it. They'll charge you for just 1 cent, 1 credit per article. So if you are posting 20, if you are doing generation, bulk article generation for 20 keywords, that means you'll be charged 20. That means you'll be charged 20 credits for 20 articles, which is very, very, very cheap. Okay. Post on WordPress. No, we are not doing that. And this is what I've explained in this earlier on the single article. Then generated article. This is where it will tell you the articles, it will show you the articles you have generated before. Show you the articles you have generated before previously. Let's see, if you choose to post them automatically, you will see them in your WordPress shop once they are completed. Okay, these are just the normal listing. As you can see, I have 10 credits available, 10 credits. And one beautiful thing about this is if you're a new user, then you use out to this platform, you just register to this platform, you'll be given something like a free trial. Like you will get 10 credits for just $1, which is very, very cool. 10 credits for just $1. And that 10 credits you can basically use it to create or generate 10 articles. At least minimum of 2,000 words. Minimum of 2,000. Is it not? It's not cool. Okay. Now let's go to the top up. So let me show you their pricing. Okay. Now, if you're a new users, like I said earlier, if you're a new users, you'll be given something like a free trial. Something like a free trial of $1, $1 for 10 cents. Now, after that, you will get 25 cents for $5. Okay, so you generate up to 25 medium length article, up to 25,000 plus word each article, or up to 12 long length article, up to 3,500 words each article, which is actually cool, like very, very cool. Okay, let's say we are going for this $5 credits, $5 credits. $5 credits, and you'll be giving 25 credits. That means for the medium articles, you can generate up to 25 articles. 25 articles, just $5. Very, 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 very cool. Very, very, very cool. Now for then $10, you'll be getting 50 credits plus 5, that's 55 credits. Then the $20, you'll be getting 100 credits plus 15 free. That is 115 credits for free, which is actually very, very cheap, like I said earlier. Okay, and when I made mention of you'll be giving a $1 free trial for 10 credits, some might see it as I'm lying. So this is a previous. This is, can see the dates, 12th of September 2023. Credits, trial credits, can see credits 10 plus 10, and I paid $1 for this, $1 because the trial credits. Okay, now let's go back to generate this. Let's see how it works here. So which topic should we write about? Let me let's see. Okay, or I don't know. I'm gonna write about Google Ad marketing. So I use answer the public to get suggestion of what to write about, like articles to write about. So this is just a sample topics to know how to find your own topic, do your keyword very well, and before you put it on the AI platform. Okay, generating. Okay, now Google Ad marketing densely. Now we have this. So I'll just pick anyone up to advertise. Take it. Um, using a keyword marketing. Okay, and add this using Google AdWords for marketing. Okay, I'm choosing the medium. Okay. So I'll click on generate. So if you can see Congress article not be generated, you can generate a single article again. While waiting for this to be completed, you may also generate a work article. You can see in generating for us. Each article may take up to 1 to 2 minutes for medium length or up to 3 minutes for long. It should be on your WordPress site if you have chosen it to be automatically posted. Okay, so you generate it for us. So let's wait for it to generate. We're generating. Okay, now our article is completed. As you can see, our article is completed, showing completed here from processing to completed. Right now, let me click on view full content. View full content. Can see our article. See our article. See our article. Is this not awesome? Is this not awesome? Is this not awesome? See, see, they even give us the H3 heading or bedding. See, this is awesome. This is awesome, man. It's very, 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 very effective. Okay, now and good. So if you if you're interested in this platform, the link is I'll provide the link on my description below. Click on it and register by using it. It's good for a blog posts. You're a blogger or you write article a lot, you need this. Also, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm giving out value for free and I'm giving out value for free. So for you to appreciate me, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate you do, and also like and share this. Like and share this. Even though you can't share, just like. That will give YouTube that's to tell YouTube that this video is very, very good and need to recommend it to more people. So don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, once the article has been generated successfully, you can copy it and edit it to your taste, add images to the blog or wherever you want to use it, and do your online SEO, online on-page SEO for each blog post before you post it manually. So thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video. My name still remains Ajayi Okoyemi Martins. Thank you.